Neuroplasticity. How to train your brain health with neuroplasticity. Brain using neuroplasticity to stop procrastinating, change habits, and create a new mind. Fred Arriola. Chapter 1. What is the meaning of neuroplasticity? Neuroplasticity refers to the brain's ability to adapt. It applies to the biochemical shifts that arise in the brain as a consequence of our experiences with our surroundings. The links between the cells of our brains reorganize of reaction to our evolving desires from the moment the brain starts to evolve in utero to the day we die. This fluid mechanism helps one to benefit about and respond to new situations. Celeste Campbell. Our brains are genuinely extraordinary. Unlike machines that are designed to standards and regularly undergo software upgrades, in addition to software changes, our brains will literally obtain hardware upgrades. According to our observations, different pathways shape and fall inactive, are formed, and are discarded. Once we know something fresh, we build new neural links. We rewire our brains to respond to new circumstances. It is occurring on a regular basis, so we should still promote and enhance it. A brief history of neuroplasticity. Neuron. In 1948, the Polish neuroscientist Jerzy Konarski first used the word neuroplasticity to characterize perceived shifts in neuronal function. Neurons are the cells that make up our brains, although it was not commonly used until the 1960s. Yet the idea goes even further. Demarin, Morovic, and Benna 2014. The father of neuroscience, Santiago Ramon y Cajal, spoke in the early 1900s of neuronal plasticity. Fuchs and Flug 2014. He accepted that brains might still alter after a human entered adulthood, contrary to popular opinion at the time. It was discovered in the 1960s that after a stressful experience, the neurons could reorganize. Further work has shown that tension will affect the roles as well as the brain structure itself. Researchers found that tension would actually kill brain cells in the late 1990s, although these results are not yet fully clear. The brain was considered to be a non-renewable resource for several decades. The brain cells are endowed in a limited quantity and eventually die when we mature, whether we want to hold them alive or not. The nerve paths in adult centers are something fixed, ended, immutable, as Ramon y Cajal said. All can die, nothing will regenerate. This study showed that there are many forms in which brain cells die, certain forms in which they can adjust and regenerate, and perhaps also ways in which they can regrow or replenish. That is what is called neuro.
Sample complete. Ready to continue?